Our Cereal Dominoes event is essentially it's a food drive, but with very specific ask in mind for cereal. So what the groups do is collect boxes of cereal throughout the collection period, and at the end they create a Dominoes course through their school, through the hallway, wherever in the gym. And after that, all of the cereal is donated to our food bank, which really helps stock this really essential item. So it's a lot of fun, and really it addresses an important need.
So this year you're doing something a bit different. You decided to open up beyond the elementary schools to workplaces and sports teams. Why did you do that?
Yeah, so we are really seeing a dramatic increase in need for our food services. So this was just a way to get more members of our community involved in this really fun event, while also simultaneously providing more of this essential cereal item for our food bank. So it's kind of a win-win all the way around.
Then there's the domino aspect of it. So we've seen photos, we've seen videos. These courses can get pretty elaborate. What's the most creative or fun one you've seen in the past?
I think my personal favorite was our winner from the 2024 season was the Sarnia Christian School. And they did an absolutely incredible dominoes course throughout the hallway of the school, and then it culminated in a big, large Domino's heart of the cereal. So it was very cute. And it was incredibly exciting to be there and feel the children's energy.